Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Monday, October 13th. This was the trade I was able to catch on ES. Caught longs today, even though it was a bank holiday. And I'll just be breaking it down and telling y'all everything that was going through my head. So, start on the 4 hour. I usually start on the 4 hour and 1 hour to get my targets for the day and just my bias. So starting on the 4 hour, we clearly have this 4 hour busy. 4 hour busy, this 6 a.m. 4 hour candle, swept sell side and ended up closing inside. So we have this sell side sweep inside of this higher time frame PD array, which is this 4 hour busy. So once we have the sweep and close above, our next target is this high up here. So once we have this internal range liquidity sweep, this next high is our external range liquidity that we're going to, target next. So after we have this sweep, we drop down to the 1 hour now. We look at the 1 hour. Do we see any imbalances? We have this one right here. Which got ran through. It got disrespected. So this is invalid because we have a 4 hour that's holding up. So this 1 hour BISI just is no use. You see it got ran through. So it don't even matter. Now going down to the 15 minute. 15 minute is where I look for my CISD candle, my down close candle that had swept liquidity. But you can see this thick down close candle is just too big to enter off of. So the next down close candle would be this one. So I use this candle to figure out my CISD and my entry. So once I find that down close candle, that 15 minute down close candle, then I drop down to the 5. I drop down to the 5 to look for consecutive down close candles to be our CISD. And this is the first one right here. So this candle is our CISD. These two consecutive down close candles will be my entry. And so when price comes back to it, I'll be entering off of that with stop loss at the lows and targeting this 15 minute SIBI right here. So I usually target 5 to 15 minute imbalances. And so price was a little choppy. We chopped a little bit and then finally confirmed this 5 minute IFEG. And so we confirmed this 5 minute IFEG. And we also have this 5 minute BISI down here that's being held up, that's being respected, no body closures below. And so this also was a good sign that price wanted to go higher. And when 9:30 opened, I set my limit at the CISD candle and I got filled at 9:35. And after that, price just ran straight to my targets and we kind of reversed back. And I was already out the move by then because my target had been hit. But yeah, this was a, little in and out trade for today on a bank holiday. Was able to catch a piece of the pie. And, I'm content with that. On to tomorrow, we have power speaking, so I'm definitely going to be a little cautious. But, I'm still going to be looking for opportunity. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments.